Yeah, here's a quick update on our 10 by 10 pergola project. Yep, the timbers have all been stained. We used a Prolex product that is a cedar color. We put 2 coats on there before we actually put it up. Um, you can see right here, we've got the class 5 base down. We've packed it, we've sloped it. We've sloped it maybe 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch per foot, so that it will shed water. And our granite has arrived. So we're going to get some decomposed granite screenings. And the next step is to put a layer of those screenings here so that we can level everything out and set that granite stone. And we'll be setting the stone and cutting it as we go along. Yeah, just a stack of granite. We got this from Gertens, which is a local or regional landscaping company in our area. And these are the steppers. So these stones are between 20 and 30, 20 and 40 inches, somewhere in there. You can get the bigger ones, the 4-foot stones, but we certainly didn't want to fight those. Right here along this little board, we've got a pile of farm rocks back in the field, and we're going to pull that out and kind of along this little slope put in the farm rocks, and that'll kind of help us maintain or kind of hold everything into place. It'll act as a bit of an edging. Get everything complete where these footings come out of the patio. We'll go ahead and wrap those with field rock and put in a little bit of mortar. We'll update you as we go along.